I am making Purim Pickle pizza. It's cheesy, briny, a little spicy, and it's got a stuffed crust. Instead of a sauce, I'm making a thing called pickle oil. I'll start by smashing 6 cloves of garlic. And the pickle oil is really gonna just enhance the flavor of the pickles, give you more pickliness. Get it into my saucepan, along with some fresh dill and some mustard seeds, nice and zingy, coriander seeds, a little citrusy, and salt. Cover it all with olive oil and heat it gently so that the olive oil can grab onto all these flavors and get really, really tasty. And while this infuses, I'll grab my pizza dough. I've got a pound of pizza dough here. I just picked mine up at the local pizza parlor, but any pizza dough will work. Now I'm ready to roll, stuff, and assemble. I'll first dust my counter with some flour. So I'm rolling this out to a 16-inch circle, which is a big circle, but once I fold the crust over the cheese for the stuffed crust, it'll get a little smaller and more manageable. I'll get my pizza peel. I'll dust this liberally with cornmeal so that the dough doesn't stick when I shove it onto the pizza stone. And I also really like the taste of cornmeal in my pizza crust. Transfer this onto that peel. And grab my toppings. I've got pickles, shredded Havarti, and string cheese, which I'll use for the stuffed crust. We'll just break them up, stick them around the edge to make a border. Okay, now lock in this cheese by folding the crust over it and pinching well. It's like a pool, ready for its filling of pickle oil. Oh, that garlic smells good.
I'll blot dry and scatter on some kosher dill pickles.
In the middle, I'll sprinkle on my cheese. This is shredded Havarti. It's creamy, it melts down so nicely, and it's a little bit funky. I'm gonna have a quirky cheese for a quirky pizza. Spreading it all the way to the crust, because there's nothing worse than getting a slice of pizza. You pick it up and it's like half crust and no toppings. And a few more pickles for good measure. Double pickles, double the fun. That's what they say. No one's ever said that, except for me right now. Okay, I've got a cast iron pan preheating in my oven. You could also use a pizza stone or even just a baking sheet. That helps get the bottom of the pizza crispy. I'll get this in at 500 degrees for about 12 minutes until the cheese is splotchy and the crust is golden. Oh my geez, it's smelling real good in here. Let me check on my pizza. Hello. Pleased to meet you. It's so bubbly. Oh man, that is a gorgeous pie. Still needs some more stuff. Oh, I can hear how crispy that crust is. No pizza is complete right out of the oven. It needs some finishing touches. I'll brush the crust with a little more pickle oil, add that extra richness and flavor. Crack on some black pepper. Drizzle on ranch. Some sriracha for heat. Some sliced scallions, that pop of greenery. And of course, gotta have fresh dill. Dun-da-da-da. Pizza dreams, here I come. That is the pickliest pizza I've ever picked at.